Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to show you and teach you step by step how you can insert watermarks like text watermarks to your documents and tables in Google Sheets in 2026. So let us get started. So access the document or spreadsheet here in Google Sheets. Make sure that you select the right tab at the bottom. So what you want to do, guys, is use the drawing tool for that and add your text watermark to your document after that. So to do that, click into Insert, select Drawing, and after that, select the text tool here at the top. Type in your text here in that box, so draw a box and type in your text. So let me go with our channel name, just like that. So you can leave the text color or font color like that, standard default black, but in order to make it distinct from your tables or spreadsheets text and data, I would recommend to use a slight gray color to give it somehow a transparent effect. So what you want to do is highlight the text and after that click into the text color here and select such a slight gray color like this. And you can also, of course, increase the font size if you like. And what you want to do after that, guys, is make sure that the background color is transparent. So what you want to do is, well, having the text box selected, and after that, select transparent. And now, guys, you can add your text watermark to your document by clicking into Save and Close here. So now you can move it along your document by left-clicking into it. You can, for example, resize it. You can, for instance, let me just make it a little bit smaller. Just like that, and you can move it around here and yeah, simply position it somewhere here in your spreadsheet, and as you can see, it looks almost transparent with that gray font color, guys. And that's the only way I have found out so far that these watermarks work on Google Sheets in 2026. Please let us know in the comments down below if it did work also for you guys. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.